Guys, this is a quick one and I'm grateful. We're going to see how exactly it is very simple, how you can easily make money with your smartphone and with Facebook. This is the easiest way for you to make money with your Facebook. One, we're going to see how you can post your daily routine activities, the things you do from home and you earn money. And we're also going to see how do you post them and how do you earn from them. But in this, I'll be bringing for you an example that I've been looking, apart from me and other people. This is an ordinary lady that I've followed for some time. She earns from $5 to $10 on a daily basis. And imagine if you're earning $10 on a daily basis, that means in a month you'll be earning $300. Do you want to do that? Yes, you can do it. But it is not as easy as you said. You have to build a ground, a foundation, and you start doing it. So good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is your lady, Christine, on the Immaculate Show. The lady that says, I cannot hold a smartphone and beg for bread. You can beg for $1,000, $2,500, but you shouldn't beg for $20 and below. So this video is for you to learn exactly that the people out there are making money and you can also do it. It's no longer, social media is no longer for chatting, for fun, but anyways, we have different kinds of ambitions and objectives while we are on social media. But if you're out there and you feel you want to be part of us, you want to be like, you want to earn money on your social media platforms, you want to earn money to have a side income, you're most welcome. I'll be showing you on our screen, you'll be checking how you can easily earn money with your smartphone. Don't forget, I'm not a financial controller, I'm not a financial guru, I'm not trained to come and give you these tips. I'm only giving you the 10% that I know that I've used. Then the 90%, what you do, just go to your Google, research, do an intensive research, and whatever you decide, you can either make money or you can make it for Messenger. You can even use it for fun or for just posting your photos and you tell people, you guys, I've been here, I've been there. But for every person that is following Immaculate Show, I want you to make money. So let's dive in. But before we dive in, you guys, this is congratulations to Immaculate Show team. We have hit 20k followers on Facebook, and on YouTube we are almost 7,000 followers, and soon to be 10,000. So congratulations, you guys. Let's go and I show you one of the examples. I want to come here. If you go to Facebook, you type in daily spice, something like that, daily spices. There's this lady that only posts, I'll be putting them on my screen as we move or as I record them, because I might not get it right now. So there is this lady, she only posts what she does every day. And when I was following her, she gets more than $5 per day. Yeah, other days she might not get $5, $10 or $6. She might get less than that, but she gets money. So what do you need to do? Because some of us, everyday spices, I've got her for you. So this lady, if we go to follow her, she has now 166k followers. And if you see what she has just posted, hardly before, she was just she posted her photo at around 1 hour before now. And it was about how she was taking her medications. Then she came here 2 hours ago. She said, my son did my voiceover, please rate him. Meaning she was cooking. When she was cooking, it means she was making a video, but she did not put a voiceover. Then she gave the son to put a voiceover. It means she told the son what to do. Then this one, she put happy birthday. Here she was preparing and serving rice. I want to show you today. 9 hours ago, budget trade cake. She just got a cake and posted it. Then morning motivation. This is what she was telling people about, how to cook your morning, and as even she's dancing and doing other things. All in all, she's just posting photos and small things of which you can do them. Now, if you're out there and you're thinking, what can I post? What can I put? You don't need to go for training right now for you to post things that will give you money. No. What you need to do is to make up your mind and say, I'll be posting. And the moment you say, I'll be posting, money will come. I want you to go and look out that Daily Spices. I confirmed she earns more than $6. And earning more than $6, that is not small money. $10, that is not small money. And if you go there, she even doesn't talk too much like what we talk. So, if you're a housewife, you don't have any excuse. Nothing. No one is having any excuse here. We can make money with Facebook. So if we are going to do a small summary of this short video, you can earn money on Facebook daily using your daily routine. You can take photos of anything that you do at home. Photos. You can take clips. You can write text out of those photos, out of those clips, and boom, you earn money. Nothing much, nothing less. So guys, can we go and use our daily routine and make money? Yes, we can. See you in another video. Bye bye.